tell you, you cannot run away from your culture. The only way, the only escape route you have to run away from your culture and cultural belief and its implication upon you as an Igbo man is death. Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu is the Igbo god of war, trade, commerce. Those Igbo people who change their name because they feel that their surname or the name of their family is related to an oracle. I really sometimes want to question and ask them, please, how successful have you been ever since you changed your family name to maybe Marcel? A worse name, if you are told the meaning. You must understand the meaning of the name and the role the name you bear plays or have played in the cosmology of your people. If you are an Igbo man and then you bear a name like Agbara, or you bear the name like Wangu, or you bear like the name like Awu, those are very sweet names. Only that you prioritizes or you prioritize what is foreign ahead of what is yours. For instance, now Agbara in Igbo land is the god of the divine energy, that has the power to rule over earth and water, and it has a Greek equivalent, Nike. All right, the one the Americans use to produce the footwear, the popular footwear Nike, right? And it is from the word Nike that you derive names like Nicole or Nicholas, and then our people bear it. But it's a Greek god, right? And you also have the name of another Greek god that our people also bear, Victoria, Victor, Victoria. These are Greek gods. But our bag Agbala, you run away, right? Now, I also will shock you with another name we still bear in Igbo land. That is the name of a god amongst the Europeans that has an equivalence in Igbo, right? The god of war, Marcel. That is Mars. From Mars, you get the names like Marcel, Mabel, right? And the direct equivalence of that god of war in Igbo is Ekwensu, because Ekwensu is the Igbo god of war. And then you bear Mabel, you bear Marcel, and then you're rejoicing in Azaf and your China Amaro meaning here. Manama de Pogi Ekwensu na Igbo, you begin to fight, right? You must understand that in Igbo cosmology, I've said this before and I'm still repeating it here and once again, that Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu is the Igbo god of war, trade, commerce, and the god of, it's a cunning god. It is not the devil, because in Igbo cosmology we did not know what the devil was. We only knew that there were good spirit and bad spirit, right? You are a subject of the good spirit, and then we are people who believes in the Ometerebulu mentality. As much as you want to change your Igbo name because you do not understand the depth of what your name means, it is your problem. Because a lot of, especially this thing is very endemic with all those that call themselves Pentecostals. Have you ever bothered to ask yourself, from where was this arrow actually brought upon? So listen, some of the things in a man they keep you handicapped in whatsoever you're doing. It's some of those things were covenants that your fathers and your forefathers actually had with certain spirit, and then nobody has been able to maintain some of those covenants, and then it's coming to haunt you guys. All right, and then you see a lot of people there that bears the names like Agbara. They try to change their name from that Agbara to maybe Wachuku. And then they also forget that Chukwu is the supreme deity in Igbo cosmology.